Exercise can help you control your weight, enhance your mental function, and lower your risk of chronic disease. In this video, we will share simple exercises you can do at home and modify as necessary to increase count or repetition. In all exercises, it is important to be mindful of following the proper stance while doing so. Closely observe the video and mimic in front of a mirror to check if you are doing it correctly. 1. Lunges. A well-rounded fitness plan should include challenges to your equilibrium. Lunges accomplish this by fostering functional mobility while also increasing leg and glute strength. Do alternating lunges for 12 counts for 2 sets. 2. Push-ups. Because of the number of muscles that are engaged in this exercise, push-ups are one of the most basic yet effective bodyweight moves you can do. Do 10 push-ups and repeat twice. You can modify this exercise by kneeling, instead of using the full plank stance. 3. Squats. Squats improve lower body and core strength, as well as lower back and hip flexibility. They burn a lot of calories, since they employ some of the largest muscles in the body. Do 10 repetitions for 2 sets. Be mindful not to lean forward while doing so. 4. Standing dumbbell press. Compound workouts, which include many joints and muscles, are ideal for busy bees because they target multiple body parts at once. A standing overhead press engages your upper back and core, while also strengthening your shoulders. Take the lowest weight dumbbell to begin with. Do 10 repetitions for 2 sets. 5. Dumbbell rows. Dumbbell rows are another compound exercise that builds many muscles in your upper body. Make sure you're squeezing at the top of the movement with a moderate weight dumbbell. Do 10 repetitions for 2 sets. 6. Seated tricep press. The seated triceps press is a classic arm-building workout that involves holding a single dumbbell in both hands and extending it up behind your head to target the triceps. Do 10 repetitions for 2 sets. 7. Burpees. Burpees are a super effective, whole-body exercise that improves cardiovascular endurance and muscle power. Do 10 repetitions for 2 sets. 8. Side planks. A strong core is essential for a healthy body. So don't overlook core-specific routines like the side plank. To make sure you're doing this technique correctly, concentrate on the mind-muscle connection. Hold for 20 seconds for 2 sets on each side. Gradually increase the hold time after a week of performing this exercise daily. 9. Planks. Planks are an excellent technique to work your abdominal muscles, as well as your entire body. Planking stabilizes your core without putting tension on your back, like crunches or sit-ups. Hold for 20 seconds for 2 sets. Gradually increase the hold time after a week of performing this exercise daily. 10. Glute bridge. The glute bridge works your entire posterior chain, which is not only beneficial to your health, but also does wonders for your behind. Do 10 repetitions for 2 sets. If you're barely breaking a sweat, focus on progressive overload by increasing the difficulty of each move by increasing repetitions, increasing the weight, or incorporating a leap into squats and lunges. Now that you have this handy guide, take small steps today to build a daily regimen and make exercise a part of your day. Watch our earlier video on self-love, exercise, for more information on how to prepare yourself, as well as alternatives you can consider. Thanks for watching.